Anything look different about this one? You bet your bottom dollar. It spins, which means we are going to drain the drum today. See you at the cave. So I would call this truck stop coffee because I'm pouring it in my truck after I stopped at the store to get it. It's a lot better than what you might find at a gas station though. 12:48 and I'm headed out to the cave to get it ready for tomorrow. Field day number 3, 4, where are we now? And then also get that bulkhead fitting, which I do have in hand, and the locking nut does unlock. So, all right, see you out there. So one might wonder how we're gonna drill a 1 3/8" hole in the drum, and I just so happened to find exactly what I needed. So notice here, this is a little Milwaukee, it's not a bit, it's like a hole grinder or a hole producer, I don't know. So let's see here, look, 1 3/8 right here. All right, so this is going to cut a hole into our drum. We've got to attach it to our drill, which is what these little adapters are for. Okay, so we're gonna first put this little gasket on like so. Put this little nut, female nut in there. Okay. Then this guy. All right, there you go. There's your makeshift drill bit. Okay. There you have it. Actually, you know what? I do want to make one small modification. There. I just wanted that in there beforehand. I think it might be a little more secure. Maybe not. Doesn't matter. Okay. It's going to go in there, get our hole started, and we'll be off to the races. All right. All right, we ready? Well, I found a punch, and I don't know that it's going to work exactly how I want it to, but I do have this little hammer and a little screw that might be able to get us started with the punch. Let's see what we got. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm actually gonna get another drill bit, smaller one, to kind of work off that punch. All right, got a little 1/8 bit here. There we go, right through the nose. Come on. How much effort we're gonna give this thing, huh? Maybe. Nope, it did. Although it's gonna be a little tight, I imagine. Which is what you want. You don't want it to be too big, but you know. Yep, it's in there. That I don't know. We're gonna find out though. Find out very soon if it works. All right. Actually, I really should be testing this with the ball valve, you know? Look at that. One more turn. There we go. Okay. It's open, closed. All right. But I think we might have a tight fitting on there and a good looking little ball valve. Yeah, I like that so far. So far it's dry. Might have been enough. In my experience, I've had to always retighten these things after I put water in them or liquid. Usually it's like the last mile, I guess you will, if you will. Sometimes it seems to seal better once there's some liquid in there. Somewhat successful, I think. Let's go drain it. Let's do this instead. Rest of this. Take over here. Okay. Good shape. All right, good. I thought for a second it needed a special tool. It does not, I don't think. Okay. This guy in here. Is it on? Huh. Oh, I lost power. Could it be station 2? I somehow doubt it. Yeah, okay. I gotta go check. I'll be right back.